Hey everyone, today we're trying a gold leaf technique with my gel press. This project was inspired by one of my favorite crafters, Shauna from Created and Made. She loves gold leaf more than I do, and she's always coming up with something amazing to do with it. The first thing we're going to do is put our gold leaf sheets on the gel press. Just cover the press. Once it's covered, we're going to gently stretch the press and crack the gold leaf. Give it a good twist so you create lots of nice cracks in the leaf. Next, we're adding a layer of white acrylic paint. Make sure to cover all of the leaf and then add your white cardstock and wait about 5 minutes before you pull the paper. I love how this looks. Now let's make a few more, and later we're going to add some color with alcohol inks. Now that we have a few to work with, we're going to add color to the leaf with alcohol inks. Just squirt on some ink and spread it with a brayer. You can also use a paintbrush if you want. To remove some of the ink from the gold or silver leaf, you can spray alcohol on top and carefully rub it off to expose the gold or silver leaf. Experiment with different color combinations. You don't have to remove the ink with the alcohol. You can let the ink colorize the leaf. I enjoy this both ways. There you have it, beautiful gold leaf pages with a gel press. You can use these in your art journal as backgrounds for mixed media jewelry pieces, card making, whatever you want. They're just beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for hanging out with me on Make Your Mark. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.